What is the ravine in NYC's Prospect Park? Have you ever wondered what hidden gems lie within the bustling streets of Brooklyn? One such gem is the ravine in Prospect Park. This unique area is Brooklyn's last remaining upland forest and plays a vital role in the park's historic watercourse. The ravine is a narrow, shaded woodland where a stream called the Ambergill flows. This stream creates a series of beautiful pools and waterfalls, including the well-known Ambergill Falls. Located between the Long Meadow and the Nethermead, the ravine offers a serene escape from the urban hustle. It features mature trees and diverse wildlife, including various birds, playful chipmunks, and even turtles. The calming sounds of flowing water add to the peaceful atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for relaxation. The design of the ravine is part of the vision of landscape architects Frederick Olmsted and Calvert Vaux from the 19th century. They aim to preserve natural elements and create a green oasis in Brooklyn. The terrain of the ravine was shaped by glacial activity during the last ice age, forming hills and streams that contribute to its unique character. The continuous watercourse flows through the ravine, cascading over waterfalls and feeding into larger bodies of water like the Lulwater and Prospect Lake. This integration of natural features is a hallmark of Prospect Park's design. Since the 1990s, the ravine has undergone significant restoration efforts to combat erosion and overuse. These efforts have helped maintain its ecological health and support hundreds of plant and animal species. The ravine is part of Prospect Park's broader natural areas, which include wetlands, meadows, and forests. These areas provide essential environmental benefits, such as erosion control and water filtration. Visitors can enjoy a 0.42-mile loop trail that follows the stream and its water features. This trail allows for a peaceful experience in a forested setting right in the city. The ravine truly exemplifies New York State's commitment to preserving natural landscapes within urban parks. It balances recreation with ecological conservation, making it one of Brooklyn's most cherished green spaces.